It's that time again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another unboxing video. As always, I am your host, Mark, and today we're going to go over some Ingersoll Rand tools. Specifically, we got the G5351-K22 angle grinder. We're going to hit it from all different angles today, so let's get to it. Break free from the cord with the G5351 IQV 20-volt cordless 4.5 by 5-inch angle grinder and cutoff tool that brings the power of pneumatic with the mobility of a cordless tool. Slim and well balanced, the G5351 allows access to tight spaces and weighs 30% less than its leading competitor. This tool, like all Ingersoll tools, is compatible with all Ingersoll Rand IQV 20-volt batteries. It has a removable vent filter which protects it from dust and metal shavings. The paddle switch comes with an integrated safety lock-off lever. It also comes with a slim handle and comfortable overloaded grip. The tool comes with a powerful 1 horsepower brushless motor and provides extended runtime and lasting reliability. The tool also has a spindle lock 5/8 to 11-inch arbor with quick release button. Includes side handle with left or right attachment points. It has a tool-free accessory changes and guard adjustment. Applications for this tool include metalwork, fabrication, construction, service garages, and workshops. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for tuning into another unboxing video. We hope you found it informative. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our unboxing channel and our YouTube series. And for more information, be sure to look us up at burtprocess.com. And I will see you on the next unboxing video.